how to get subtitles in Weverse. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. If you are using Weverse and you need subtitles, then I'm going to show you a quick way to jump in there. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged in, and then you want to locate obviously a video or a music video or whatever the case may be. And you can see over here, I've now got this video over here. Now you're going to have to sign in and make sure that you are actually signed into your account. And once we skip past this ad, you can see now that we have our video. So I'm just going to pause it for one moment. As you can see over here, there are some options. If you go to the top of the screen, there are 3 dots, and then you can see there's resolution, speed, and bookmark. And not all videos have subtitles, so the subtitles are actually not available for all videos. But if there is subtitles, you'll see that it is available here in this menu. You can now go ahead and you can tap on play. You can see your subtitles. Another way to find out if there are subtitles on a video is just underneath the profile picture there is a date and a time, and right next to that it'll say CC. It'll have an icon there, and it'll allow you to then also toggle your subtitles on and off. You can see over here, if we go into perhaps this one also does not have any subtitles, but if you can just scroll down over here, you can see that some of these do actually have subtitles, the availability, and there's a CC icon next to that. You can just go ahead and you'll be able to enable the subtitles right from there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about Weverse, you can go ahead, click on this video. We'll see you on the other side. Cheers.